Trust me, African potatoes, oh my goodness, are the best. It is so good. And in today's video, that is what we are going to have for dinner. We are going to fry it just you are seeing on the screen, okay? Trust me, the outcome was absolutely good, crunchy outside, and then the inside was very soft and delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Just look at that, so good. Let's start with today's activity. I have my potatoes here, okay? So this is Japanese potatoes, okay? It is just like Ghana potatoes, and it is very good. Yes, it is so good. So to start with this, we are just going to wash it very well, okay? You have to wash it very well because we don't know where this is coming from. We did not plant it ourselves, okay? So you wash it very well. Sometimes some people choose to use those wires, the one we call silver shine, to wash it. If that is what you want, please just be very careful if you are using it, because sometimes some may stick in there and that is not good. It is very, very dangerous, okay? So for you to use that, I think it will be very good if you use your sponge or you use your hand, just like how I am doing on the screen, okay? Yes, now we washed it and this is how it looks, so perfect. We are just going to peel the skin. If you think you don't want to use your knife, you can use your potato peeler, and that is also good, okay? But I am used to my knife. I am typical proud African, okay? So I will use my knife to do so. As you can see, I'm struggling to peel this because it is absolutely bigger than my hand, okay? So when it happens like that, you can just put this on your chopping board to do so, okay? Yes, but as I told you earlier, I am used to this, so it didn't even occur to me to do so. So peel everything, and then when you finish, you cut them into the sizes you want. So we are done peeling it. Now when you are cutting this, you make sure you don't do it in a bigger size, okay, so that it can fry on time or it can be cooked on time, and also you will get that perfect outcome. So I'm just going to show you the sizes that we are going for. Trust me, if you are dividing it in your hand like how you are seeing on the screen, it is very dangerous. Your knife can cut you, so you make sure you do it on the chopping board. But I am used to this, a monkey is still a monkey, okay? So I am used to this one. And trust me, I don't have any sharp knife here because I know myself that I am very careless when handling knife, okay? Yes, so please use your chopping board. Once we are done with that, we will just go ahead and then grind our pepper. So I have my pepper, I have my onions, and then salt. I will just grind it. After that, we will add our tomatoes. I will remove the seeds from it, and then we will cut them into smaller, should I say, chunks, or dice it, or anyhow you will say it. I will add it to the pepper and then the ingredients we grinded earlier, okay? And as you can see, we are grinding that, and the pepper is looking so good. I realized the salt wasn't enough, so I'll go ahead and add more to it, grind it, and after that we will be adding some chopped onions, scallions, and then chopped tomatoes. Since the tomatoes we are grinding is not that we don't have any fiber in there, I have added more salt to it. And now we are done with the pepper. Let's set it aside, and then we have washed our potatoes very well. I will add my salt to it, add some water to it, allow it to be in the salt water for about 10 minutes, and you are good to go. Between 5 to 10 minutes, you can continue with the process, okay? So now after 10 minutes I have strained the water from it. I will allow it to dry a bit so that my place will not be messy. I don't want any work. Now our oil is hot, and then I'll just drop my potatoes in and then fry it on a medium heat. Okay, we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us for more videos, and if you want our YouTube channel, which is in Twi language, please follow us on Recipe Goddess. You will love it there as well. We share short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. Okay, so now after some few minutes I will just go ahead and then flip it to the other side, because that side is cooked and we just want the other side to also cook very well. Okay, yeah, so that is what I am doing right now. Now when you are pairing this with your pepper, you can as well add some fried fish to it, and it is so good. I have fried fish recipes, a lot of them on all social media platforms. You will get it, so please watch them and then just pair it to your potatoes and then your pepper. You will love them. If you want to add your green chili sauce or your shito as well, you can add that as well. Okay, and we have all those recipes on the channel and then on the page. Now they are ready. I'll remove it and then place it on the paper towel or place them in the colander. Okay, but I will do the two. I will just put my paper towel in the colander and then place all the potatoes on it so that some of the oil can drain. Okay, and just look at that. It was absolutely crispy and very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. Leave me your comments in the comment section and please share this video to others. See you in the next one. Bye bye.